Why don't you tell me about Mardi Gras?
Mardi Gras.
Did you like it? Did you like Mardi Gras?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
It's like a busy.
We heard music.
I took a dollar.
Did you sit in the ladder?
Yeah.
Did you see dancing girls?
Yeah.
Oh, who'd you sit in the ladder with?
I did Maya.
Maya?
And my baby look like pieces.
Maya and Phoebe heard the music too?
Yeah.
That's pretty exciting. Did we go to the park today?
Yeah. Fish.
You on the swing?
My baby look like fish.
Maya and Phoebe went on the swing too. Did we ride in one car?
Yeah.
Was that fun?
I hit.
Daddy's seat. Anything else you want to tell me?
Yeah.
What?
I put a picture.
Oh, yeah, I'm taking a video, not a picture. Did you want to sing happy birthday?
Yeah.
Sing it for me?
No.
No.
Happy Yaya.
Oh, happy Mardi Gras?
Yeah.
No, soon you have to say happy St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah.
How about happy St. Patty's?
Yeah.
All right. You say bye-bye?
Bye.